same month, and no complaints. I have no complaints. The flight is really nice. I had a good day today. My plan for the day is that I'm gonna change, take a shower. It's raining outside, so I don't know if I'll be able to go out, but I'm gonna see if so this hotel is in Phuket town, so if it's nights outside, I might go and just get a massage and dinner. If not, then I might go to Patong and then have a good time there. So I'll see you guys once I change. Outfit check. So I'm ready to go out. I'm just gonna check if Phuket town is nice. I'm gonna go down and I'm gonna see if they have food, massage, and whatever that I need right now, right here. Then I'm not going to Patong, and I'm gonna rest once I come back, or else I'm gonna eat something, grab a bite, and then go to Patong beach. But it's raining as well, so I don't know. Let's see. Bad play again. Yes. Yeah, let's go. Get a massage now. It's okay. Thank you. I got done with the massage and I slept. I think half of the time I just slept. I was tired and it was so nice. At least I took a nap. what happens when you take the scooty for a 20-minute ride and the guy drives like literally rides it at 60 key speed. By the way, someone gave this to me when I was walking on the street there. It was so cute. Like the vibes too European. If I'm in Asia, I want to feel like I'm in Asia.